Next point is Born-Haber cycle for sodium chloride. In 1919, the German scientist Max Born and Fritz Haber developed a thermochemical method for determination of lattice energy of the ionic solid. In this method, known chemical quantities are related to unknown lattice energy using Hess law. Consider the formation of ionic solid sodium chloride, which may takes place by two different methods. Method first, called as direct conversion. Let us consider the formation of 1 mole of crystalline ionic solid NaCl from 1 mole of solid Na and half mole of gaseous chlorine by direct combination. So, this process can be shown as Na solid plus 1 half Cl2 gas gives NaCl solid. In this process, energy is evolved called heat of formation and is represented by the symbol dash H or minus H. Second method or second route called indirect method. In indirect method, it involves hypothetical 5-step process. Step number 1, sublimation of solid sodium. Here, 1 mole of solid sodium is converted into gaseous sodium. The energy required is known as sublimation energy and is represented by S. So, Na solid, it gives Na gas. Second, formation of sodium ion, that is Na plus. Here, 1 mole of gaseous sodium by removal of an electron from each atom gets converted into 1 mole of gaseous sodium ion. For this, the energy required is known as ionization energy and represented by capital I. So, Na gas gives Na plus gas plus E minus. Third step, dissociation of chlorine. Chlorine exists in molecular state. Here, 1 mole of chlorine molecule dissociates into 2 moles of chlorine atoms. The energy required for this is known as dissociation energy and is represented by D. So, 1 half Cl2 gas converted into Cl gas. Fourth, formation of chloride ion, that is Cl minus. Here, 1 mole of gaseous chloride atom forms 1 mole of chloride ion by gain of an electron. The energy released during this process is known as electron affinity and represented by E, capital E. So, Cl gas plus E minus, it gives Cl minus gas. Now, fifth step, formation of ionic solid, that is NaCl. Here, 1 mole of each of gaseous Na plus and Cl minus ions are brought together to form 1 mole of ionic solid NaCl. The energy released during this process is known as lattice energy and represented by capital U. Na plus gas plus Cl minus gas, it gives NaCl solid. Now, according to Hess law, in any closed system, the net change is in energy is always zero, the enthalpy of reaction remains the same irrespective of the path followed. So we can write minus H is equal to S plus I plus 1 half D minus E minus U. Therefore, U is equal to S plus I plus 1 half D minus E plus H. So this is important equation for Born-Haber cycle for sodium chloride.